Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
In this episode, I will show you the 4 best LCD digital microscopes. Let's get started. On number 1 we have Elikliv LCD Digital Microscope. It comes with 720p HD digital imaging. The LCD screen displays real-time crisp images and good quality videos in full lighted view with 8 LED fill lights. A large screen enhances ergonomics and eliminates eye and neck strain compared with the eyepiece. This allows you to zoom in and see the incredible details of observations at a magnification range from 50x to 1000x. The actual magnification differs due to the screen size, the distance between the camera, and the observations. Built-in 8 adjustable LED lights provide sufficient and uniform lighting. You can freely adjust the brightness by rotating the button to ensure that your specimens are clear and bright, and allow you to capture pictures or record videos in the woods and some dark places. Elikliv DM4 Microscope will bring you an excellent experience. The height adjustable stand can adjust the distance between the camera and the object, making the object distance of this microscope longer than other microscopes. As the distance increases, the magnification time will be shortened. On number 2 we have Annlov Microscope. Annlov Microscopic Digital provides 50x to 1000x magnifications. Magnification corresponds to monitor size, allowing you to view the smallest details of specimens clearly, such as plants, coins, diamonds, soldering, etc. It's great gift idea for kids. This electronic microscope utilizes a built-in 4.3-inch screen which allows you to view directly, very convenient for outside use. Images and videos obtained during your observations are saved to a microSD card. Adjusting the object close to the lens, then you can view the specimens on the 4.3-inch screen clearly by rotating the focus wheel slowly. This USB microscope camera also supports connecting to PC via USB cable and view object on bigger PC display. This new digital USB microscope we use adjustable aluminum alloy bracket instead of old version plastic bracket. Make you view the object more steadily and accurately. On number 3 we have Tomlov DM9 Microscope. With easy-to-use operation and wide application from micro soldering, rocks checking to coins stamps observing, this USB digital microscope is perfect for adults, students, and young learners, enhancing the interactivity between parents and kids, teachers and students. Working together with 12 megapixels ultra-precise focusing camera and 1080p high-definition imaging, this LCD digital microscope creates high-quality images and videos and brings incredible micro-world observing experience. The rotatable 90-degree screen design improves ergonomics and eliminates eye and neck strain. Utilizes aluminum alloy to build the base, stand, and holder. This coin microscope offers a long-term use and allows doing micro soldering or repairing printed circuit board. On number 4 we have Moysuwe MDM9 Microscope. Updated with an extra 6-inch extension tube, can obtain a wider and higher full field of view, perfect for coin collection. Moysuwe coin microscope can easily to show a full coin in the field of view, the dime, penny, nickel, quarter, dollar, even the large silver dollar. Designed for full view for microscope observation as well as larger working space when soldering PCB boards. LCD digital microscope adopts 7-inch 1080p HD resolution LCD screen and 12MP focusing camera, which supports to display amazing images and videos, easily view the clear details of tiny objects, and it's convenient for easy and accurate observation and soldering. The rotatable 90-degree screen design makes it more convenient for user from different angle to view it. Microscope for coins is equipped with a USB port for connecting to Windows and macOS computers. Just connect to your laptop computer and your field of view will be extended on the computer screen. You will get larger and higher quality display, facilitate data sharing and analysis. So these are some of the best LCD digital microscopes to buy in 2023. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.